In this section, we're going to learn about life insurance. To start, we're going to see how life insurance premiums are calculated. Now, the annual premium is going to equal the coverage in thousands times rate per $1,000. So what is this coverage in thousands? Well, if you want $120,000 of coverage, the coverage in thousands would be 120. If you wanted $60,000 of coverage, your coverage in thousands would be 60. So basically, you're taking your number divided by 1,000. Now, the rate per $1,000 is going to come from the annual premium rates table in your textbook. All right, with the online textbook, here's that table. On the far left, you'll see the age of the person you're trying to look up, and then you see 4 different types of life insurance across the top. So if you had somebody that was 30 and they wanted the whole life policy, you go to the whole life column, go down to the row for 30, and it'd be 5.66. One other thing to point out is at the bottom it says for women subtract 5 years from the actual age. And the reason for that is women typically live longer than men. So for a 40-year-old male, you just go to the row for age 40. For a 40-year-old female, you go to the line for age 35, which is 40 minus 5. All right, so let's look at an example of calculating these rates. Bill is 35 and wants $150,000 in life insurance. Find the annual cost for all 4 of those that are given in the table. So starting out with A, a 10-year level premium term policy. He's age 35. So going back to the table, you go to the row for 35, and then the first column is 10-year level premium term. So it's 2.01. So our annual premium would be 150 times 2.01, which is $301.50. Now for a whole life policy, you repeat that. You go to age 35, go over to the column for whole life. It's 7.68. So our premium would be 150 times 7.68, which is $1,152. Repeat that for universal life. Now we're going over to the column 3, which is 7.45. So 150 times 7.45 is $1,117.50. And then finally, for a 20-pay life policy, you go all the way over to the right for age 35, and it's 21.6. So 150 times 21.6 is $3,240. And you might be thinking to yourself, why is that one so much higher than the rest? Well, a 20-pay life policy, you only make 20 payments rather than one for every single year you're alive. And so by the age 55, you're done paying them off.